Do you need to get coaching clients fast? If you're tired of waiting for clients to come to you and want to get fully booked in a short amount of time, then you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll tell you how to bring your dream clients straight to your door. I'm Moriah, the founder and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where my mission is to empower female coaches, consultants, and online entrepreneurs with luxury branding. On this channel, I teach you how to build your brand, your online authority, and your audience, so you have the confidence to charge your worth and cultivate a thriving business and life. If you want to learn more about becoming the go-to leader in your industry, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, I'm sharing 5 actionable tips to help you book your next 5 clients this week. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your coaching business to the next level, these strategies will help you get there. Ready to unlock the secrets of successful client acquisition? Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, commit to a daily sales activity. The first strategy is all about commitment. If you want to see results fast, you need to prioritize sales activities in your daily routine, especially if you don't have a long wait list of clients. If that's the case, selling should be your number 1 focus every single day. Trust me, I completely understand that selling may not be the most exciting task on your to-do list. But here's the truth. Sales activities are undeniably vital for the success of your life coaching business or any coaching business. So it's time to embrace them. Here's what I do to stay committed. I block out time on my calendar each day, usually at the beginning of the day. Guess what? It's not my favorite thing to do either, but I recognize it's one of the most important things I can do to grow my business. So that's why I knock it out first thing in the morning. Tip number 2. Promote your offer. Don't be shy about promoting your offer. Create engaging posts on social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. When you do, make sure that you clearly communicate what you're selling. Highlight the benefits your clients will gain and provide a clear call to action. Keep in mind, one post won't do the trick. Consistency is key, so keep reminding your audience about your offer regularly. Industry leaders stay relevant because they don't let themselves fade into the background. They frequently remind their audience how they can benefit from their expertise. To get more coaching clients, you have to remember this. In your field, you are the expert. You are the one everyone wants to work with. You are a luxury brand leader. Type "I'm a luxury brand leader" down below if you're ready to start showing up as the leader you know you were born to be. Tip number 3, create free, high-value content that helps your ideal client. Along with promoting your offer, it's crucial to provide value to your audience. Give them a taste of what you can offer. Create free, high-value content that helps your ideal clients thrive. This could be a video, a blog post, or a podcast episode, or any other medium that resonates with your audience. Use your content as a way to provide them with a quick win or help them solve a problem. Then strategically add a call to action within that content, inviting them to learn more about working with you. Strategy number 4, reach out to your list. All right, it's time to tap into the power of your email list. Whether you've been diligently building your list or you're just getting started, this strategy is all about making the most out of your warm audience. If you've already been building an email list, kudos to you. You've got a group of eager subscribers waiting to hear from you. Now it's time to leverage that connection. Reach out to your list and share the exciting news about your offer. Write emails that captivate their attention and entice them to take action. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and compelling, and add a strong call to action that guides your subscribers to take the next step. It could be as simple as click here to learn more or schedule a free call. The key is to create a sense of urgency and excitement. However, if you haven't started building your email list yet, you'll want to get started ASAP. Begin by creating a valuable freebie that speaks directly to your ideal client. Then you can offer your freebie in exchange for their email address. Win-win. Tip number 5, grow your network. While it's easy to stay behind your computer, true growth comes from making real connections in real life. It's a lot easier to be on this online entrepreneur journey when you have real people to connect with, isn't it? Hit that like button down below if you agree. So I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and start meeting new people. And those people don't even need to be your ideal clients. They can be professionals in your industry or complementary industries. Need some ideas? You could join groups on Meetup. Ask someone for a coffee. Meet on Zoom for a coffee date if they're not local. Or volunteer to teach a class or a workshop. Or speak to a group that really aligns with your audience. These opportunities help you showcase your expertise, build credibility, and expand your network. And there you have it. You're officially in on the top strategies to get more coaching clients. Now it's time to put them into action because you deserve a brand that exudes luxury and authority, attracting your dream clients with ease. And I'm willing to bet those dream coaching clients are high ticket clients who truly value your expertise. So I want to invite you to enroll in my free course, 5-Figure Clients, and unlock the secrets to building a rewarding coaching business with a waitlist of high-ticket clients. Inside the course, you'll learn how to create a high-ticket offer that positions yourself as the go-to leader in your field. Get instant access to this free resource by clicking the link below. Now, if you want to work with me one-on-one to get the fast track to a waitlist of clients who are dying to work with you, I have the perfect solution. By joining my comprehensive luxury branding and website design experience, Luxury Brand Leader, you'll get the ultimate brand transformation in just 90 days. Click the link below to learn more and apply today so you can start becoming unforgettable, irresistible, and in demand. Like this video, be sure to check out this one too. You'll learn how to create your signature coaching program, including how to price it in a way that ensures growth for your life coach business. Set yourself up to get coaching clients fast with a program that's perfect for your audience. And for your weekly dose of entrepreneur and branding tips, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next video.